Hello everyone, and thanks for watching Edupedia World videos. In this video, we'll discuss solutions to problems in the first paper of the 2014 JEE Advanced Physics question paper. I'll be following questions as they fall in code 1, but in any other code, the questions will just be shuffled up so you can match them for yourselves. Let's move on to the integer type questions now, starting with question 11. We have two planes A and B flying with constant velocity with 30 and 60 angles with the horizontal. So this is the plane B making an angle 60 degrees, and this is the plane A making an angle 30 degrees. The speed of A is 100 root 3, and we are given some other information. At t is equal to 0, an observer in A finds B at a distance of 500 meters moving with a constant velocity perpendicular to the line of motion. So just qualitatively, we are looking at B with respect to A because the observer is in A. The velocity of B with respect to A will be the velocity of B minus the velocity of A. So if this is A, this will be the negative of A, and the sum of those two will be in this direction, somewhat, right? Now what we are given is this velocity is perpendicular to A. It is perpendicular to the line of motion of A, which is the velocity of A. And it is a constant. It has to be a constant because both A and B are constant vectors, right? So B minus A is perpendicular to A, that is given us, and some other information is asked. So let's just write down the velocities straight away. Velocity of A will be V cos 30 I cap, that is, 100 root 3 into root 3 by 2, that is 150 I cap, plus 100 root 3 into 1 by 2, that is 50 root 3 j cap. And the velocity of B, we don't know the speed, let's assume it's V, so it's V cos 60 I cap, that is V by 2 I cap, plus root 3 V by 2 j cap. What is V of B with respect to A? That is VB minus VA, that is V by 2 minus 150 I cap plus root 3 by 2 minus 50 root 3 j cap. And we are given that this vector is perpendicular to VA. So the dot product of this vector with VA should be 0. That means 150 times V by 2 minus 150 plus 50 root 3 times root 3 by 2 minus 50 root 3 is equal to 0. Which means 75V minus 22500 is equal to, this is 25 into 3 is 75 minus 2500 into 3 is 7500. So there's a V here as well, right? So which gives us, this is 0. So which gives us 150V is equal to 22500 plus 7500. That is 30000, which means V is equal to 3000 by 15, which is 200 meters per second. So we know the speed of V now, that is 200 meters per second. So now we can calculate the magnitude of V of B with respect to A. So what that would be is V by 2 minus 150. That is 100 minus 150, that is 50. We just need the magnitudes. So 50 squared plus, now this is root 3 by 2 V. Root 3 by 2 times V minus 50 root 3. We can just take root 3 common. V by 2 is 100 again, minus 50, that is 50, and we can multiply that by root 3. So that is 50 squared into 3. This is 50 squared into 4, the root of it will be 100. So that means mod of V of B with respect to A is equal to 100 seconds. So it's moving in this direction perpendicular to A at a speed of 100 seconds. And also it's given that A finds B at a distance of 500 meters. So this distance is 500 meters. And the speed is 100 meters per second. So the time taken will be 5 seconds, which means the answer will be 5, right? Now there's actually an easier way to do this. You do not have to assume all of that. This question could actually have been solved purely geometrically as well. If we take this to be VA, then this is VB, and they are at an angle of 30 degrees. And VB minus VA will be this vector. And if we are given that this angle is 90 degrees perpendicular to VA, then what is this magnitude? This by VA will be tan 30. So this is VA tan 30. 100 root 3 into 1 by root 3, which is 100. So we directly get this value 100, which we got from here after a lot of work. The speed is 100. This distance is 500. So the time taken will be 5 seconds. So final answer is 5.
Thank you.